Have you ever noticed that the most powerful person in the room is often the quietest? While the weak scramble to explain themselves, desperate for validation, the strong sit in silence. They observe, they calculate. In a world that never stops screaming, silence is not empty, it is a weapon. The ancient Stoics knew it, the modern tycoons use it, and today you will learn how to master it. Welcome to the Arc of Detachment. Robert Greene, in the 48 Laws of Power, wrote, "Always say less than necessary." Think about gold. It is valuable because it is rare. If gold were as common as sand, we would walk on it without looking down. Your words are the same. When you speak constantly, your words lose value. People stop listening because they know you are always available. But when you remain silent, when you only speak when it is absolutely necessary, your words become heavy. They carry weight. People lean in. They fear missing what you have to say. Be scarce. Be gold, not sand. Silence is a mirror. Most people are terrified of it. When a conversation pauses, they feel awkward. Their anxiety rises. They feel the need to fill the void with noise. This is where you win. When you are in a negotiation or an argument and the other person stops talking, do not jump in. Stay silent. Maintain eye contact. Count to 4 in your head. In those 4 seconds, they will crumble. They will start over-explaining. They will reveal their weaknesses. They will bid against themselves just to break the tension. Let them drown in their own noise. The ultimate sign of weakness is reactivity. If someone insults you and you explode in anger, you have just handed them the remote control to your emotions. You are their slave. True power is detachment. When you meet disrespect with absolute silence, you signal that their opinion is beneath your notice. You are unshakable, like a rock in the middle of a storm. Silence is the loudest way to say, "You do not matter to me." Start practicing today. Resist the urge to explain. Resist the urge to react. Observe everything. Attach to nothing. If you are ready to master your mind, join us. Subscribe to Arc of Detachment. Silence is power. Use it wisely.